Welcome to Sometime 5. Today we're working with page 34 and we're going to talk about dividing by fractions. Just to remind you, two numbers whose product, that's when they're multiplied together, is 1 are called reciprocals. 3/7 times 7/3 becomes 1 times 1 over 1 times 1. So we can say 3/7 and 7/3 are reciprocals. 0 has no reciprocal. To find the reciprocal of a whole number, think of it with a denominator of 1. So 7, for example, is 7/1. So the reciprocal would be 1/7. Why do we need to know this? Well, to divide by a fraction, you must multiply by its reciprocal. Here's an example. 4 divided by 1/2 is the same as 4 multiplied by the reciprocal. That's 2/1. Very simple. Which becomes 4 times 2 is 8/1. So the answer is 8. 4 divided by 1/2 is 8. Now if we divide by mixed numbers, for example 6 divided by 2 2/5, we first make the 2 2/5 into an improper fraction. So we get 6 divided by 2 times 5 plus 2. That's 6 divided by 10 plus 2/5, which is the same as 6 divided by 12/5. We multiply by the reciprocal, which becomes 6 multiplied by 5/12. The common factor of 6 and 12 is 6, so we get 1 times 5/2, which becomes 5/2, which is the same as 2.5. You can estimate a mixed number product if you're multiplying, or a quotient if you're dividing, by rounding to the nearest whole number. For example, 4 2/5 multiplied by 2 3/4. So 4 2/5 we round down. 2 3/4 we round up. So we get 4 times 3 is 12. Let's have a look what the real answer is. 4 2/5 as an improper fraction becomes 22/5. 22/5 times 11/4. Well, let's change them all into 20ths. 4 times 5 is 20, so 4 times 22 is 88. So 22/5 is the same as 88/20. And 11 times 4, well, 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 times 11 is 55. So now we get 88/20 multiplied by 55/20. You'll have to believe me, comes to 4,840/400, or 12 1/10. Well, there's still more to say about this, but that's all for today. See you again soon.